What if research did not have to mean spending days buried in books, databases, and PDFs just to find useful sources? What if the bigger challenge now is not access to information, but keeping up with the volume of it all? Across academic, professional, and creative work, researchers are facing more data, more sources, and tighter deadlines, which is why AI tools are becoming a bigger part of the process. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and in this video we will look at how AI research tools can make literature discovery, summarization, data analysis, citation support, and drafting easier to manage. As information keeps growing, the right AI tools can take pressure off workflows. Let's jump right in. Let's check out the top 5 tools. Keep in mind, these platforms can speed up research, but they do not replace critical thinking, subject expertise, or academic judgment. Researchers still need to verify accuracy and treat AI-generated output as a starting point rather than a final answer. Elicit stands out as the best option for literature discovery. It is built for researchers who want to search, understand, and review existing scholarship, whether they are beginning a topic or trying to get a clearer overview of a field. The platform pulls from a large body of scholarly literature and presents it through a simple dashboard where a research question can be entered in natural language. When tested with a question about what influences student learning outcomes in online education, Elicit did more than return papers. It evaluated the question, rated it as good, and suggested semantic improvements that could sharpen the search. After the search ran, it returned a concise answer backed by citations and papers, with abstract summaries, supporting quotes, DOI information, and filters for keyword, quality, date, and study type. One of Elicit's most useful features is Chat with Paper, which lets the researcher ask detailed questions about a specific study. That makes it easier to compare sources, identify themes, uncover gaps, and understand methods without reading every section manually. The platform also supports PDF uploads for data extraction through chat and offers export options, including direct export to Zotero. SciSpace is one of the best tools for summarizing research papers. Instead of spending weeks reading and condensing literature into a usable review, a researcher can use SciSpace to build understanding faster. Its deep review feature is designed to gather relevant sources and turn them into a structured overview. After signing in and opening the literature review area, the researcher can prompt deep review with a question. SciSpace responded by asking clarifying questions about the purpose, context, and scope of the topic, which helped refine the search before results appeared. For a prompt about the impact of climate change on biodiversity, it expanded the search through multiple queries, reviewed citations and references, sorted papers by relevance, and produced a detailed summary organized into sections such as the abstract, introduction, scope, methodology, results, synthesis, conclusion, and references. SciSpace gives researchers access to source materials they can download from a library or request from authors. Users can chat with individual papers for a deeper insight or listen to papers in podcast form. It also includes an AI writer, a citation generator, and an AI detector, making it useful for later drafting stages too. Litmaps is the strongest choice for literature tracking and citation mapping. The article explains that finding papers is only part of the challenge, because researchers also need to understand how studies connect, which ones matter most, and what may still be missing. Litmaps tackles that problem by turning citation relationships into an interactive visual map. Rather than beginning with a research question, Litmaps lets the researcher search by keyword, author, DOI, PubMed ID, or archive ID. It then suggests relevant articles, and selecting one with strong citation activity helps the platform uncover related literature and build a litmap. As more articles are added through the More Like This option, the citation network grows into a clearer picture of how a field develops. Litmaps organization features include tags and color codes that help group studies by subtopic or methodology. That makes large citation networks easier to read and more useful for ongoing projects. Another standout feature is automatic monitoring, which reruns the map weekly to find new connected papers, while sharing options makes it easy to send a public link or export the map as a screenshot. Julius AI is one of the best tools for data analysis, especially for researchers who do not want to rely on advanced programming skills. Instead of forcing users into code-heavy workflows, it lets them analyze and understand data through plain language. The platform combines Python, Excel, and conversational AI to produce summaries, tables, graphs, and statistical analysis from simple prompts. A dataset about remote work and productivity was uploaded into Julius, which quickly formatted the file into a table and provided an overview of its contents. From there, the researcher could ask for insights into productivity, job satisfaction, burnout, and collaboration quality. Julius then generated Python code, produced a written summary, created visualizations, suggested follow-up prompts, and explained the code. Julius can rerun analysis and self-correct when an error occurs. It also offers advanced reasoning for more complex analysis and the option to build custom AI data analysis agents. That combination makes it approachable for non-technical users while still giving researchers room to go deeper. Jenni AI is one of the best AI tools for academic writing. Even after background research is finished and sources are gathered, writing can still be one of the hardest stages of the process. Jenni supports that stage by helping generate outlines, draft content, improve existing writing, and organize references within a clean editor. You can start from scratch with a prompt or upload an existing document and ask Jenni to improve it. During testing, the prompt asked for a literature review on remote work models and their impact on knowledge worker productivity and well-being, with a focus on studies published after 2020. Jenni responded by generating possible headings, giving the researcher a strong structure and the flexibility to remove sections that did not fit. Once the outline is in place, Jenni can suggest supporting text beneath each heading, or it can autocomplete ideas as the researcher writes. As suggestions are accepted, the tool automatically adds references, while its commands help simplify text, strengthen arguments, improve flow, add transitions, remove redundancy, translate content, convert text to tables, and format work for publication. Jenni AI's best features include how intuitive it was and how it automatically adds references and offers different citation styles. Jotform is another option that enables researchers to gather data, manage interactions, and automate workflows through intelligent AI agents that pull information from multiple sources and organize it efficiently. These agents turn traditional forms into conversational, chat-like experiences that encourage thoughtful and accurate responses, while also helping with tasks like collecting feedback, analyzing relationships in data, and guiding participants through consent and registration. Jotform's user researcher AI agent can also search for relevant information, compile resources, share supporting materials, connect with external platforms, and automate scheduling or workflows. With thousands of customizable templates and the ability to train agents using your own content, Jotform provides a flexible, end-to-end solution that simplifies data collection and improves the overall research process. Thanks for watching. I'm Sissy with Jotform, and I hope this gives you a look at which AI research tools can support parts of the process. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time.